Welcome to today's ProPlate TM demo. In this session, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating a new part in ProPlate TM. Begin by clicking on the Part option in the navigation sidebar to open the Part Management screen. Click the Create Part button to start creating a new part in the system. The first step is to select the customer the part will be associated with. For this demo, we'll choose Demo Customer. Next, enter the part number. This value will appear on system documents and can be used to search for the part later.
For this demo, we will set the part number as 1234.
The final required field is the plating method, which specifies how the part will be processed. Select barrel if the part will be processed in a barrel. You may also enter any additional information in the remaining optional fields. If the part requires rack processing, select the rack option instead. Once all required and relevant information has been entered, click the Create button to save the new part. A validation message will appear at the top of the screen, confirming that the part was successfully created. In this demo, we covered the complete process for creating a part in ProPlate TM. If you have any questions or need support, please contact us at support@proplate.pro. To learn more about how ProPlate TM can benefit your operations, reach out to schedule a demo.